Putnam, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, Putnam County in southeast New York, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:39 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Carmel, or near Lake Carmel, and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Danbury, Sherman, and Newtown. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Fairfield County, Connecticut, and Putnam County, New York.